A+ Gradebook 3.2 offers some great new features that will make your grade keeping even more productive and efficient. A+ Gradebook now has an updated interface. While all the functionality remains from the previous version, improvements to the style, color coding, and focus tracking have made it more efficient and visually more appealing than ever. Visual enhancements to the grade cells, such as numbered columns and highlighted cells, make it so that you will always be aware of the student row and the assignment column for the cell before entering a grade. In the previous version, you were limited to 98 grades per quarter. This limit has now been extended to 150 grades. With this new capacity, you have more space than ever to make sure all your grades are recorded. Scrolling to find the next open grade cell for a student can be time-consuming. To improve navigation efficiency, you can now double-click on the student name, and the cell to the right of the last entered grade for that student will be automatically placed in focus. This reduces the amount of scrolling and searching for the next cell in a particular student's row. Another new feature is the comment flag feature. By right-clicking on a grade cell, you can now apply 1 to 4 flags to the corners of the cells. These visual reminders are a great way to stay even more organized with your grades. Some possible uses are to indicate an incomplete grade, an assignment that will be retaken by a student, or to emphasize that the grade is in progress. The report card generator is now able to save edited grades to the report card, so that they will remain in the report even after the program has been closed and reopened. In addition, the color coding has been improved in the report card window. Finally, under the hood, the saving and loading procedures have been rebuilt from the ground up so as to enable a more reliable filing system, as well as to provide an auto-recovery procedure in the event of a crash. Download and install A+ Gradebook version 3.2 today for all these great new features.